Yo, I'm surprised with how the internet is quiet, how you people are quiet, taking it normal with what Kaisedo is doing. The guy is linking the defense to attackers. The guy is doing donkey work at the mid. He's doing everything, and at the end, he goes up and scores. Like, the guy is scoring bangers, like, you can't even imagine. Hiyo ni kitu hatukuwa tunatarajia, you've been all along. Mnakataa huyu jamaa, but for now I believe kama bado una doubt Kaisedo, you must be stupid, you must be mad. We still have some stupid fellas who comparing Kaisedo with Declan Rice. Mazee, hiyo comparison sahi haiko. Mazee, huyu jamaa ako level wengine. Hakuna sahi better DM compared to Kaisedo. We hope he become a Chelsea legend. Tunaomba tu Mungu Real Madrid isitokee mahali, tunamuombea kuwe legend. Mazee, huyu jamaa ako level wengine mazee. Vitu Kaisedo anafanya, he's not hyped to the level. Ama juu si mu England